Welcome to our third part of our 12-day journey through the country of Italy. In this video, we will be spending 3 days in the region of Tuscany. Let's go. You know where we are?
Yes, we are at the hot springs.
We got to see it from the top of the hill.
Yep.
And it was pretty crowded. And the parking lot's pretty far. So now we're walking. What do you think?
It's warm. It's like cooling bathtub temperature.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see
Alright, going up a big hill.
Go!
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
was your picnic?
The picnic was delightful. I got to see a sheepdog herding sheep in an actual pasture while eating delicious pecorino made from those sheep and eating salami and drinking wine in the sun. It was fantastic. 5-star. That was
5-star. You do it again?
Absolutely. Great food, great views, great friends.
We've arrived in Montepulciano.
Don't need to go deeper because the water in the sand is drained right immediately. So in the sandy soil, the roots of Sangiovese develop like that, okay? Because the roots feel the water right immediately. The plants, not the develops.
How were your fries today?
Too salty.
Can you say that again?
They were too salty.